So every time you cut grass, you're going to need to clean under your mower bed. There's a lot of this right now. Look, it can't even turn because it's hitting this old dried on grass. So every time before you start cutting again, you need to set it up and get the grass out. I use a pole. You don't have to get it perfect, but you get some trimming. If you find this type of information useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, that should be good enough.